cards. We all use them. Today, we'll break down how credit cards really work, how banks make money for them, how you can use yours the smart way. A credit card lets you borrow money from the bank to make purchases. It's not free money. It's a short term that you agree to pay back later. When you swipe, you are using the bank money, not yours. Your credit limit is the maximum that banks allow you to borrow. If you don't pay your balance each month, you will pay interest, sometimes over 25% APR. Even paying only the minimum balance can keep you in debt for years, costing hundreds more in interest. No all credit are the same. Reward cards give you points and cashback. Travel cards let you earn miles. Secure cards help you build your credit. Every time you use your credit card, you are building your credit score. Keeping balance low shows discipline. These habits rise your credit score, which affect whether if you can get a car, get a house, or just get a loan. Here's something most people don't realize. Banks make billions from credit cards through three main sources: interest, annual fees, and merchant transaction fees. That's why it's so important to pay your full balance and understand what you're signing up for. The wealthy don't avoid credit cards. They use them tragically. They pay balance in full, collect points for travel, they protect their purchases with car insurance. Credit card can either build your future or break your finance. The choice is yours. Use them wisely, stay disciplined, and your credit will open doors that you never thought possible.